your smart speaker to play absolute 80s.
I'm Matt Soames. Storm Kathleen is beginning to hit much of the UK, bringing with it heavy rain and strong winds. Around 70 flights have so far been cancelled at British airports. Police believe human remains discovered at a nature reserve in Greater Manchester belong to a man over the age of 40. A murder investigation's been launched after a human torso was found wrapped in plastic at Kersal Wetlands in Salford. The US president urged the leaders of Egypt and Qatar